Hi, here I am again, Nez Simpson at Crescent Beach. Taking a break from working on the computer and needing an excuse to be here, so here's the video. But I do have a good reason to talk about this. I'm offering a free self-hypnosis workshop in White Rock on the 21st and the 23rd at 2 p.m. in January, of course. And since I posted that, I've been having a lot of interest from my old haunts in Parksville area, so all Oceanside. So I am going to do a free one there as soon as I can get it set up, and preferably that'll be in the beginning of February, probably around that first long weekend, which is around the 6th or something. So I'll keep you posted on that, but those are free totally, and it's about a 2-hour workshop teaching you how to get it, how to get into a nice deep state of somnambulism, which is a preferable state of hypnosis to do the work in, and then a teaching and a little handout and more backup on a website to teach you what to do with it once you have it. So we'll keep you posted, and that's my beautiful sunshine. I can't waste it, so here's the video.